Hey you all, welcome back to Soldier Farms. Today I'm going to try and complete, or at least get the last of the carving done on our gnome house. Let me push it back there. I need to figure out what I'm doing with the door, the side window, the picture window, and the landing window, as well as this skylight, these cathedral style windows. I'm pretty happy with my vents. They aren't perfect, none of this is, but it has been a lot of fun and surprisingly challenging. So I am going to grab my dust mask and get into it, and I'll meet you over here. Alrighty, here we are. And I am ready to go. Alright, let me grab my safety glasses and my mask, and I will be right with you. Alright, so here we go. Gotta tighten up our bit again. Let's go right here. Our picture window, cathedral window, vent, our little landing window, large heavy door, skylight, cathedral window, another vent, and our turret roof. Alrighty. That does it for today. Alright. So, if you have not gotten in on Delan's Gnome House Challenge, I challenge you to create something like this, or better, nicer, more interesting. But I'm not a great carver, so I did what I could do. Yes, I used my lathe. If you have one, you can use it too. If not, do something else. But anyway, aside from a little refining hither and yon, I don't see much more I can do with this. So I'm going to go ahead and submit. Thank you all.